When using a pipette, you should always be sure that it meets the ISO 8655 standard for accuracy and precision limits at both the absolute and relative values. Gilson standards for maximum permissible errors are more strict than the ISO 8655 standard. Accuracy of the pipette might depend on the nature of the fluids handled. Different products are adapted to the pipetting technique you plan to use for specifications and accuracy at its best.
Oh, ISO 8655, right. Everyone knows that one.
In any case, when it is time to service your pipette, you'll need to determine whether to repair it in the lab or to return it for service.
Oh, so it's like a choose-your-own-adventure book.
Yeah, I suppose it is.
Which I happen to have right here.
The conformity of your pipette should be tested once a year. If you do not have the required equipment, or if the pipette fails a performance check, return the pipette to your local Gilson calibration lab. Gilson also recommends performing a 2-minute inspection between service periods.
All right, I'm in a cave now. And I died.
For models other than microvolume pipettes, if you identify damage to the push button, connecting nut, piston seal, O-ring, tip holder, or tip ejector, you can order spare parts on Gilson.com. These parts can be replaced on-site without any impact on the performance of your pipette.
Great! Now I'm on a bridge.
If you do not have trained personnel with industry-standard calibration equipment on site, you should send your pipette in for service.
And I died. Again.
In order to keep your pipettes in peak working condition, you should conduct performance tests on a daily, weekly, and annual basis. Preventative maintenance consists of a regular leak test, and on a weekly to quarterly interval, you should conduct an accuracy check, cleaning and diagnosis, visual check, and function check. Complete maintenance should be done annually and involves replacing spare parts of the first level, such as seals, O-rings, the tip holder, etc., and adjustment calibration. The replacement of spare parts of the second level, such as piston, counter-assembly, and operating rod, should be done by a Gilson authorized service center.
Look at that! I got to the end and I'm living happily ever after.
Really?
Oh, no, 2 pages were stuck together. I died. There it is.
When in doubt, contact your Gilson authorized service center to ensure your pipettes are accurate and precise.
You know, the thing is, though, even though all these choose-your-own-adventure books didn't work out, an adventure that I'm really interested in is The Guide to Pipetting. So that's the one I'm gonna read. So hopeful, so happy. Teaches me all the right things.